On April 5th, 2026, Mountain Home police officers responded to a welfare check after receiving a report that 2 young children may have been left alone inside a motel room. What started as a routine investigation quickly changed when a man, claiming to be their uncle, refused to let officers speak with the girls. This is how it went down.
I'd like you go mind your own business, bud.
Huh?
Go mind your own business.
I gotta be down here. I gotta be down in James real quick. I gotta grab something. I'm not gonna switch.
Yes.
Hi.
Do you live here? Or?
That's my sister's room.
That's your sister's room?
Yes. Where's
your sister?
She's working.
Where at?
Downstairs. Gotcha.
What are you talking to you?
May I ask what the problem is?
We just got called to check on them.
On my nieces.
Yeah.
They're fine. We've got a
Okay,
camera
well, I
in
can
there.
talk to them.
You can talk to my nieces?
Yeah.
No.
Yes, I can. You can go stand over there.
No, sir.
You can go stand over there and I can talk to them real quick, or you can go to jail. You pick. What do
Those
you
are
want
my
to do?
Nieces.
I understand that, but you're not a legal guardian.
Yes, I am.
I'm not in this.
I am their legal guardian.
I'm allowed to check on them. You don't get to dictate what I do. So you can either make
And
this...
you don't dictate what I do either.
Actually, if you're going to come over here and interfere with my investigation, yeah, I will.
There doesn't need to be an investigation.
I don't know that right now, because I haven't got to conduct it. So go over
Well,
there.
you can go talk to my sister.
All right. I'm going to arrest you. You got one chance to go back over there. Go back over there.
Arrest me.
Go over there. I'm telling you right now, you're making this harder on yourself. You can let me talk to them, or you can go over there.
You don't need to be talking to little kids.
Why?
Because
I got called to check on
you
them.
can talk to their mom.
I can talk to them, too.
Yeah,
I can lay
go
eyes
through.
on both of
Okay.
them
I gotta ask him a
and check on them.
Okay,
Yes, you
wait
can
for
check
it.
on them, but you don't
Who are
need
you?
to talk to them.
I'm the girlfriend.
I can talk to
Girlfriend?
Mhm.
Okay.
I'm their
You
legal
mind
guardian.
walking away for
And
a
I
second?
say they're fine.
For what?
Because we're trying to do an investigation, and you all are just...
I'm
Go
asking
get
him a
sis.
question. I need to get
I-
Go run
I
over
get
there and
that,
get
but-
sis, like, run.
Can I get my...
Because I'm about to get arrested.
I'm allowed to lay eyes on them. I'm
Yes.
allowed to conduct my investigation, and I'm allowed to talk to them.
Yes,
You
but there
don't-
doesn't, I'm just saying there doesn't need to be an investigation
Okay.
because there's nothing wrong.
That's not yours to decide, bud.
Yes, and I'm telling you, I'm their legal guardian.
By court order? Are you legal guardian by court order?
I am their uncle.
Are you legal guardian by court order?
I'm their legal guardian. He's watching them.
Okay, well, he wasn't watching them when I walked up.
That's because I was in my room.
I also have a camera in the room.
I get that, but we got called here to conduct an investigation, and he decided to interfere the whole entire time and run his mouth. You have the option to go stand over there
Are you-
and let
are
me
you
talk
mom?
to them, or you can go.
Are
This
you
is my
mom?
family.
Yeah.
I'm going to be here
Can
for
we
my
walk?
family.
Can we step inside and talk real quick? Just me and you.
It's a mess. I need to warn you.
Okay.
Oh my daddy.
One
Okay.
second.
How
no.
many kids we got?
Just two.
Hi, honey. Oh, there's no need to cry. Hi.
Please settle.
What's wrong? You guys don't have to be scared of me. She knows me.
I don't care what anyone says. I'm going to be here for
That's
my family.
okay. I get that. Do you think I'm here to do something to them? I'm here to check on them.
It always happens that way.
What? What always happens?
Whenever a cop gets involved, there's always CPS involved, and I don't like that.
I can't do anything if they're fine, but I have to make sure they're fine. I can't call CPS over nothing. Do you understand what I'm saying? I have a job to do. I don't want to take anyone's kids away because I know how that goes. So when you do that, though, all you do is make this harder for me to get done and out of here. So you doing that did not help.
Why didn't you call?
Because we got a call that they were left here in the room alone.
Oh, like I said, I got a camera in their room. My brother's right next door.
Okay. I mean, just generally speaking, they're too young. They're too young.
9-year-old is?
They don't look 9 to me.
She's 9.
Okay. How are they supposed to call for emergency services?
She go either right next door to my brother's or right down to the office.
Okay.
She used to have a phone, but her sister put it in the toilet.
Who's dad and where's
He's a truck driver.
truck driver?
Yes.
Okay.
So to be a legal guardian, you have to be court ordered.
Yeah.
So being an uncle, being blood relative, does not count as being a legal guardian.
No.
That's bullshit.
Dude, that's just how the court works.
That's fucking bullshit.
And also, I don't know that. I didn't even know your name yet.
My name is James Brandstrom.
Okay.
What's your name? I should know
Christina
this by now,
Schwab.
but
It's probably because I told the pizza guy that the kids will answer the door.
I'm not sure who called us. To be honest.
I'm pretty sure that's who it
Christina,
was.
but, I mean, I'm gonna be real honest with you. This is no condition for kids to be.
What have I told you about my room and destroying it?
Where do they sleep, Christina?
That's their room.
Can I take a look?
Yeah.
I am not going to have somebody walking into my niece's room.
Did I even walk in?
No, but you were about to.
No, I wasn't. I had to talk to her. I didn't even get to talk to her. Do you want to get in trouble?
I've been to jail. It doesn't bother me.
It should.
I was homeless for 10 years. Jail is a vacation.
It should still bother you. Do you think they want to see you go to jail?
No.
Okay.
3
Well,
hot
I'll get
meals in
back
the cot.
out.
Huh?
3 hot meals in the cot.
It's a metal rack. It's a metal bed.
Say, sit here. Yeah, you don't have to be scared of me, honey. 13 PD. Can you call DHS on call?
She's a police officer.
Honey, your mama knows me.
She's actually very mature for her age.
What do you do if you need help?
I don't need any help.
But what if you did? What would you do?
I'll just go to my mom and dad,
Okay.
Or,
my uncle,
Or-
my grandma,
yep, or
like my family.
she knows all her options. She's
How long you guys lived here?
going on 6 years.
6 years? Okay. I mean, because I'm not going to, I mean, we could talk away from the kids, but I'm not going to sugarcoat it. There's a lot of issues going on
I
here.
know. Between homeschooling and everything else, like I said, dinner just got delivered to them.
Yeah, I'm
Usually-
not going to lie to you. There's a lot of
know.
issues going on. And just by looking.
I know, because I shouldn't have time to clean right now.
I don't let anyone mess with my family. I will die for my family.
Dude, I'm not messing with your dang
I'm not
family.
saying you. I'm just saying I will die for my family.
I get that. But then what you did was not the smart way about it.
I'm actually in school right now, so we could get out of this business.
What are you going to school for?
Medical billing and coding.
Okay.
I mean, these are clean clothes I still have to fold and put away.
You know me, I'm not one to sugarcoat things. There's a huge issue with the living conditions. Okay, I'm just being straight up honest with you, okay? And I will put it a lot nicer than I've seen even DHS put it. This is unacceptable.
Well, like I said, tomorrow's my day off, so I'm doing a whole clean.
We're going to be held up for a minute, okay? Because I do have to contact DHS, okay?
And you call RJ, tell him to take over office. Can I go outside so I can smoke a cigarette?
Yeah, just don't take off on me.
No.
I don't think
Your
you
other
would
op-
because
no.
your kids are in here, but I always tell people the same thing.
right now. Someone called the cops on me, and I have to wait for DHS and everything else.
Yeah, see, there you go. Nobody fucks with my family.
Dude, chill out or go away.
This doesn't involve you.
It does.
Mom's here.
It's my family.
Mom's here, so look, this is the last time I'm gonna tell you.
I don't care what you guys
doesn't.
Alright, put your hands behind your back. Don't start this. Put your hand out behind your back now.
James!
Stand back. We got one fighting.
Let go. Let go.
Everybody's quit.
Stop pulling
Let
me.
him do what he's got to do.
Stop it. Stop pulling me. Let go.
God, fucking get
Let go, and I will let you arrest me. Dude, I was in the motherfucking room.
Walk away now, or you're
I
going
don't have
to.
to.
Yes, you do.
You're not taking him.
We're
Walk
gonna
away.
arrest you
I
too.
don't care.
That's the whole reason why they're arresting me.
What else?
I promise you, whether it takes 5 of us or 6 of us, we are gonna win.
I will let you arrest me. Just stop.
So let go
Because
of the
this is
railing.
fun.
Let go of the railing.
Let go of me.
I guarantee you, whether it takes 5 of us, 6 of us, or 2 of us, you are going, bud. So let go of the railing and
I
put
will.
yourself
Stop
in cuffs.
touching my head.
The folks are crying out loud.
I'm about welcome. Having trouble?
Yeah, a lot.
Stop!
Get it?
Yes, he got me already.
Yeah, I got that on video.
Hey, Rocky,
Yeah.
obstructing and resisting.
Damn, I was letting them arrest me. You didn't have to choke me.
Sit down.
Hello, this is Officer Sale with Mountain Home Police Department. Sorry, we were in a use of force when you called. I got 2 young children living in a hotel room, and the conditions are completely unacceptable. Dirty, you can barely see a floor space. There's barely any room on the beds. There's beer and meds within a kid's reach. They're not being supervised. They're being supervised via camera. The parent is now with us after we located her.
What are we doing now? Taking care of DHS with those kids. Who is he to kids?
Uncle. Is he
Came
the one
out
that's
there.
supposed to be taking care of them? Supposed to be watching them, but there's a camera in the room. What says? You want to take them to jail? And
If you don't care.
yeah, I'll stay here.
Dad's on the road. We arrested Uncle just now, who fought us, and Mom will be charged with endangering welfare. Okay, yep.
44 is 15 with the mail.
Dude, why you gotta be mean? Come on, I know I was obstructing justice, but after that I was just having fun.
44 is 97. He took off and he was resisting the whole time, so.
Passive resistance. Not...
And he tried putting me in a headlock.
Okay, so he was fighting.
Yeah.
Whoa! Can you step right in here for me?
I need his name and date of birth. What's your name?
My name?
Yes.
James Brandstrom, like I said earlier.
All right, what's your date of birth?
April 5th, 1990.
She's standing here waiting
For DHS.
for DHS to show up to do an inspection. Officer Steele.
Babe, it's not your fault. I'm not gonna get mad at you because some punk fucking called the cops.
He's stuck in California right now.
I understand that. Like I said, we're just waiting on DHS just now.
I want to know who the hell it is. They fucking stuck their nose where it didn't belong.
Like I said, it was probably a Domino's person.
We're just calling to see where we're at. We're standing by waiting on you guys. Alright, sounds good. Alright, Christina, DHS is about 15 minutes away. They wanted me to ask you, do you have a relative that you can call to take care of the kids?
Not here.
We'll let them know when they get here, okay? We'll go from there.
So they could be taken away from us.
Temporarily could. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but
That's not going to do well for them.
I know that.
They're both autistic.
I know that. Like I said, we're going to take it one step at a time. There's no reason to start freaking out yet until they get here, okay? This is
49,
Christina,
right?
this is Mom.
Hey, Christina, how you doing?
Stressed.
Let me see the place.
Yep, it's through this door.
Cool.
You mind if I come in, Christina? I know.
Got a dog. Where's it?
They're in this other room. They're over here.
If you go to jail, you got somebody that'll.
Double. It's double room.
Oh, if you go to jail, you got somebody that'll watch your kids. Who's this one here? Who's this right here? Does she have somebody that can take the kids or no?
No, she doesn't have anybody to pick up the kids, but I prefer to talk about this outside, Mom. Because they'll freak out.
Well, I mean, if they go with me, they're gonna freak out. I like to be the punisher, but I know the house is dirty.
I know.
I want to see you get that house cleaned up, right? So we'll probably open a case. You know, your house is nasty. So you're gonna arrest her?
We have to, because it's a class A misdemeanor. I don't have the option to cite and release.
Do you have any friends here that you they'll watch your kids if you go to jail?
None that you guys would allow to watch them.
Well, they're gonna have to go with me if you go to jail.
Do you have someone to watch them for a couple hours until you walk out?
I could see if Mike will.
Okay.
Did you guys have to fight with somebody else too? An uncle or something?
Yeah, he's at the jail.
How'd you guys get called out here?
Somebody called and I guess they delivered a package here. And then they said there's a 3 and a 9-year-old by themselves in the room.
Hey, I need a favor. Can the girls come over here for a half an hour to an hour? They need to make sure the room's safer.
I'm Officer Steele.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. Good.
Howdy.
I was with fire in Memphis for 34 years.
Mike, do you mind if we get your driver's license or ID and take a look around and make sure it's good for the kids?
My Paula's over here.
All right.
What's going on here?
The condition that the kids are staying in currently, in our opinion, is not acceptable.
over there. Okay. So I'm gonna take care of the girls while you guys take her.
Yes.
Okay, and
Because the only other option we have is to release them to DHS.
you're gonna come here within 2 hours and let me know what's going on. Or
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
Yes,
yeah,
you're
just
shortly,
be
within like 30
checking
minutes.
to make sure the
Okay.
rooms stay clean and
Y'all be safe.
You too. Honestly, this room's really nice over there.
Very nice, actually.
I would have stayed there.
you're only going to be there for a small amount of time.
I'm not gonna cuff you until we get down there because you haven't given me any issues, but do not do anything dumb, okay?
I'm not going to.
Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna let you keep your hat on. Alright, I'm gonna cuff you in front because you haven't given me any issues, but I have to cuff. I'm not even gonna tighten them all the way. And like I said, you haven't given me any issues or reason to think you're gonna do anything, just don't slip them, okay? Alright, I'm gonna close this, alright? Okay. 13 to E, 15 one female, 19 to the jail.
James Branstrom was arrested and charged with obstructing governmental operations, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and fleeing on foot. His bond was set at $1,350. Christina Schwab was arrested and charged with third-degree endangering the welfare of a minor. Her bond was set at $620. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.